loves, welcome to Fun Fashion YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I made these beautiful sleeves on this dress. It is stylish and super easy to make from a basic sleeve. Do well to like this video, subscribe and drop me nice comment. Let's get started. Have your pattern paper unfold and draft your basic sleeve. Please note that while drafting your basic sleeve, add 1 inch extra for ease to your round sleeve measurement. For example, if your round sleeve measurement is 14, use 15 to get your round sleeve, okay? If you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve, tell me in the comments and I'll send you a tutorial on how to draft a basic sleeve. Then after drafting your basic sleeve, draw a straight line from your sleeve cap height to the hemline of the sleeve and cut open. Also cut open the middle part of the sleeve, which is unfold, and then place on your fabric and spread the pattern like you see me do in the video, making sure that the tips of the pattern touches each other and pin down. Add seam allowances. I added ½ inch seam allowance all round the pattern like you see me do in the video. Then go ahead and cut. Please note that I have 2 pieces for the sleeves. Then I proceeded to cut the lining pieces, which I'll use and turn the sleeves. So I'm going to go over to the sewing machine and stitch the hemline, and I'll also stitch here, okay? Just this part and these other parts, all right? So after stitching on the hemline and here, this is what I have. Please note that I joined each sleeve with the lining pieces that I cut for each, okay? I will go on now and clip on the fabric so that the cuffs will lay flat and smooth when I flip to the right side. Then I'm going to go ahead and give it a good press. This is what the sleeves look like after pressing with the hot iron. So this is what you're going to have. As you can see, we have our basic sleeve back. All right, you can go ahead and pleat the middle part, all right, to form this kind of sleeve if you want. So I'm going to take one tip of the sleeve and then turn to the wrong side and flip to the front, okay? So I'll have this. Let me put it together. Then I'll arrange the hemming. It's just like tying a knot. I have something that looks like I tied a knot here, okay? So this is the second sleeve that I want to go for. So from the middle part, I'm going to start fixing the sleeve round the armhole. Remember to also close up the sleeve. You're going to close up the sleeve, then fix round the armhole of the dress, okay? So this is how this looks like. Make sure that you hold this knot down so that the wrong parts will not be showing, okay? Just arrange it and then hold it down. You can use your hand needle to tack it or use your sewing machine to hold it down so that the wrong side will not be showing. So now the sleeves are looking beautiful joined to my dress. If you want to learn how I made this dress, tell me in the comment section and I'll send you the dress tutorial. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. See you in the next video.